Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on an intermediate / advanced Yoyo speed combo. Here's what it looks like. And yeah, that's basically the entire trick. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is what the trick looks like from above. So yeah, that's basically the entire trick. First off, I want to give a shout out to my sponsor, Duncan Toys, who sent me this Duncan Haymaker X. So yeah, if you want to go check it out, then links will be in the description. First off, you want to start off in this mount that's similar to a 1.5, but you're just going to pop off the top of the string and land on the bottom, like so. From there, you're going to roll over your index finger onto a sort of like kamikaze mount. Then you're going to roll off, and then you're going to roll into the top string to go into a 1.5 mount. And yeah, that's basically the first part. So that's what it looks like, all sped up. And then you're going to roll over both of your fingers onto the other side. And from there, you're going to roll into the string one time. Then you're going to point your index finger towards yourself. From there, you're going to move your arms in a counterclockwise direction and put the yo-yo on the string connected directly to your yo-yo finger. Then you're going to unroll. When you're unrolling, as you're unrolling, you're going to move your throw hand pointer finger back to facing forward. So here is the whole thing one more time. So roll, point, and then put the yo-yo on the string. And as you're unrolling, you're going to point your finger back. As you can see, if you pay attention to my throw hand, it points from facing me back to facing the front. So that is basically that first part of the trick. So then unroll, and then from there you're going to roll into a kamikaze mount. And from there you'll have a wrap on your throw hand index finger, which will allow you to roll over it and go into a kamikaze mount, like so. So here's what the whole thing looks like all together. So from there, you're going to unroll, you're going to go back and roll over your throw hand index finger back to the mount you were just in. Then you're going to roll over your non-throw hand index finger onto those two strings. So basically, this is what it looks like all stitched together. Next up, you're going to roll the yo-yo off back where you came in a counterclockwise direction. And you're going to go towards the kamikaze mount, but roll over both your fingers, like so. From that area, you're going to put the yo-yo onto the string, roll it over your throw finger onto the string that's furthest from you. That's on the very edge of the mount. So basically, you're going to use the momentum of the bounce all the way around to land on the string. The next step from there is to roll off of that mount and then roll into that top string where the arrow is pointing. When you do that, you're going to cross your arms. So pop off and roll and cross your arms. You're going to make sure your non-throw hand is above your throw hand. So you're going to use the momentum, and then you're going to cross your arms right here, as you can see. And from there, you're going to pop the yo-yo up and uncross your arms. Here's what that looks like in slow motion. So when you pop it up, you're going to want to land on that string, which the arrow is pointing to. That'll put you directly into a kamikaze mount. So here, you're just popping it up and then uncrossing your arms. So your next step from there, you're going to roll the yo-yo off towards your non-throw hand, and you're going to be in the same mount as you were just in. Then you're going to pull your hands apart pretty fast, and that should launch yo-yo up. Then you're going to bounce it off that top string. You should try and keep your thumb there and keep the string taut when you do this, or else it might snag. And then after that, you're going to roll it back into a kamikaze mount, and then you're going to roll off. This time you're going to cross your arms. You're going to put the left hand over your right hand, and you're going to pull it again, and it should bounce into that top string. Now, as you can see, your thumb should keep the string down, and in my opinion, this is the hardest part of the trick due to it having a tendency to snag. Having your thumb down will help and prevent that. From there, you're going to roll over your non-throw hand index finger into a kamikaze mount. Then you're going to roll towards the front off while curling your index fingers. As you can see, as you roll, you're going to want to curl both of your index fingers while rolling off towards the front. And there it is in slow motion one more time. So after you do that, you're going to roll from behind while uncurling your index fingers. And yeah, that's basically that part. Next, after you do that, you're going to want to roll into that string, the top string right there, and you're going to perform the same element that was used in the start of the speed combo. And then you're going to pop it up and chop the string. Here that is in slow motion. As you can see, you're just going to pop the yo-yo up, then chop that string with your thumb, and then you're going to land on that front string. As you can see, land on that front string, and you should be in a Houdini mount. And yeah, that's basically the entire trick. Here it is one more time. Alright guys, so yeah, that's basically the entire trick. You can definitely expand this since the Houdini mount is very explorable. Links to check out my sponsor and the yo-yo I use will be in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.